All right, Jan, will you be safe there? And, hopefully they'll be able to get some of those blockages out of the way and just hang close in the car.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. All right. We're going to go to Catherine right now. Catherine is joining us on WBN. Catherine, where
Fairgrounds
are you?
Road.
Tell us what you saw.
Pardon me? Say it
Nothing
again,
much
sorry.
yet.
I just was asking you, Catherine, where you are and what can you tell us?
Well, that's the problem, is that where we were was, it was about 12:40.